Well, senior leaders from the Aam Aadmi Party had stated that because Arvind Kejriwal was inside the jail and therefore the reason perhaps the alliance talk with the Congress Party altogether failed. In Haryana now Aam Aadmi Party will be fighting all alone against the Congress and the Bharatiya Janata Party. But there is a transition change. We have seen how after Manish Sisodiya came outside, there were several rallies that he addressed, and also importantly he was present during the filing of the nomination of several of the Aam Aadmi Party candidates along with Sanjay Singh and others. Now when Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Arvind Kejriwal has come out, certainly it's a morale booster for the Aam Aadmi Party workers as well, and therefore the reason perhaps what we saw earlier at outside the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters is the posters of "We miss Manish Sisodiya" when he was inside the Tihar jail. Now these posters says Kejriwal aayenge. Satyamev Jayate and other such posters had been placed outside with the heavy security at the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters as soon as the news floated that Arvind Kejriwal will soon walk out of the Tihar jail, and therefore the reason perhaps the security also beefed it, and these new posters had now been placed outside the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters which says Kejriwal aayenge, and the workers also celebrating at the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters, distributing sweets and stating that this is a kind of Diwali for them because it was Ram aayenge to Kejriwal aayenge is something that is something that these supporters are stating, Dhol and others with distribution currently taking place. But it is BJP which is quick enough to respond to the Supreme Court observation saying that the charges had not been removed. Arvind Kejriwal is still the key conspirator, and he is the kingpin of the entire alleged excise policy case. He's just out on bail, and he is a chief minister who is on the bail. He had been imposed several conditions as far as he can't go to the Aam Aadmi Party, he can't go to the chief minister's office, he can't sign any such file of the policy making files, and therefore the reason perhaps the Bharatiya Janata Party has lashed out at the Aam Aadmi Party saying that he should have given resignation as far as the chief minister is concerned because serious allegations are against him. But on the other side, yes, we will see in the upcoming days when he will walk out of the Tihar jail that he will be visiting Haryana, he will be campaigning for the candidates, and that's a big morale booster for them because Arvind Kejriwal is the senior most leader of Aam Aadmi Party, and therefore the reason the supporters from different parts of the country had come and currently celebrating outside the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. How this will pan out and how this will be showcasing as well as and reflecting in the results of Haryana, that's his concern, and how many seats Aam Aadmi Party could win in the upcoming Haryana elections is something that will be seen when the results will come out. But the supporters are really motivated. आप कुछ कह रहे थे, ये केजरीवाल आएंगे के पोस्टर्स लगाए गए हैं आपके यहाँ पर, लेकिन अभी भी ये कहा जा रहा है कि सिर्फ बेल पर ही बाहर है, चार्जेस अभी भी उनके खिलाफ हैं, अभी भी की कॉन्स्पिरेटर सबसे बड़े किंगपिन इस alleged liquor policy case के कहे जा रहे हैं.
See, let the BJP say what they are saying, but as Bhagwan Ram came back after Banvas, after 14 years, as Kejriwal ji is coming after 177 days, right? So basically it's like a Diwali for us. We are celebrating like Diwali. It's a big day for us. We are distributing the sweets and we are dancing, and we are celebrating the Diwali today.
But certainly it is Bharatiya Janata Party, of course, had slammed Arvind Kejriwal celebrations here, and on the other side it is Arvind Kejriwal's residence where we are also witnessing several key leaders including Manish Sisodiya, Sanjay Singh and others who are gathered, and they will be shortly doing a press conference on the Supreme Court judgment.